Oh, good morning. Well, today, Leanne and I, we were out here a couple of weeks ago, as you saw, and we went on the yellow boats out to the islands. And we've got heaps of family coming up this weekend, all the cousins and nephews and sisters, and too many to go on the boat, so we thought we wanted to take them out. What are we going to do? So we hired a boat. We've hired a boat, and we're going to go out to the Great Barrier Reef today. We're going to feed the fish. We're going to go to Whitehaven Beach. We're going to do lots of different things. Once you come along with us and join us, and as we take all the family out in a hired boat this time rather than the yellow boat. See you soon and enjoy. Just don't let the others see what you're doing with the boats. Okay, lady, having fun?
I touched the fish.
You touched the fish?
It bit me.
You having fun?
Tried to bite the food and bit me. Can you take photos, please?
Yep. Tell me about the boat. Is this good here?
Drowning.
Are you having fun?
Drowning.
What do you think, Josh? Awesome. Out of 10, what would you give this experience, Melita?
11.
11 out of 10.
0.1.
0.1.
11.1.
Hi everyone from Whitehaven Beach. We've had an awesome day out on the boat, which we hired from Early Beach. We've come up, we've done some fishing, some snorkeling, some swimming, and now we've enjoyed the views from Early Beach. Don't forget your shade, but it was an awesome day.
Also, don't forget your stinger suits, especially this time of the year. The stingers are out, especially when the northerlies are blowing, and your snorkels. We saw some amazing fish. At Manta Bay, there was George, the great big fish. I can't remember what it was. It was a great big fish. Then when we walked up the top here to the lookout, it was really hot. Should have brought some water, but then should have not brought some water because it's a lot to carry up all those stairs. Had an awesome day, and it's a big day.